Let's start our week with a Filipino breakfast. An ideal Filipino breakfast for me consists of chorizo, tocino, and of course premium hotdog from Virginia. And let's start it with our pork tocino, cooking it with sunflower cooking oil because this is healthier because it has omega-6 and vitamin E. Cooking tocino is very easy. Just heat the pan, put the oil, and fry for around 5 to 7 minutes on each sides. Or one indicator that it is cooked already when the sides are already caramelized. From that same pan, don't throw the oil, just add a little bit more. And of course, what is a breakfast without rice? So, perfect kayo ang tocino oil. Nganhan mo i-cook ang imuhang rice and plus garlic, then it will be a perfect garlic rice. Then from that same pan, just put 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Then our Virginia hot dog. Virginia suggests to cook our hot dogs in water first until the water dries up. Then that's the time we put a little bit of oil. And when the slit starts to open up, it is a sign already that it is cooked. This is good already, but if ever you have seen my previous vlog, if ever I cook hot dog, I usually put a dash of sugar or more sugar because actually for me, the sugar brings out the flavors of the hot dog. And makakaon yung daghan for sure. Don't waste the oil from the hot dog because you can use that also in cooking our egg. And now let's cook our chorizo. Did you know that chorizo can be cooked in a microwave? So just put it in a microwave container and cover it. Make it sure ang cover lang kanang na ay whole para dili siya mobuto. Then defrost it for 1 minute. Then after defrosting, put it into mid-high for around 8 minutes. Then after 8 minutes, sorry hugaw kay mong microwave. Ayan. Then ready na dayon ang atuang chorizo. Walay pisik-pisik and naluto na gyud dayon siya. Perfect. And timing dayon nga maluto na pud ang atuang egg. Pamahaw na ta guys. So, show me your breakfast. So let's start with this tocino, rice, egg, tocino, hot dog. Perfect breakfast. And of course, the Chorizo de Cebu. Mas juicy good siya and dili kayo oily basta giluto sa microwave. Rice more, egg more, and top it off with lemon water. Did you know that you can have your Virginia favorites delivered at your home with a minimum order of 300 pesos and just add 20 pesos for express delivery within 5 kilometers? And they are also in foodpanda, available within 3 kilometers from the Jones factory outlet. Then again, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts and just continue to stay safe, stay fit, and just keep smiling.